Hey, remind me again, what's the weirdest thing you've ever bought at an antiques market?
Hmm, probably a Roman coin that turned out to be a replica. Still pretty, though.
I once bought a French recipe book from 1890. Pages smelled like peppercorns and mildew.
Sounds aromatic.
Smelled like a kitchen haunted by a very old chef.
Now that's a story waiting to happen.
Here we are, Camden Lock Market. Thanks. Keep the change.
Wow, this place is buzzing. So many stalls.
And smells. I can smell coffee, incense, and is that fried churros?
Focus, Alice. Antiques first. Churros later.
Yes, ma'am. I hold up a pair of old opera glasses. These look like something Sherlock Holmes would carry.
Or something you'd find in the handbag of a socialite with a secret.
She watches the opera and her enemies.
Natalie picks up a faded oil painting. Look at this. The brushwork is crude, but it has character.
Character? It looks like someone's haunted attic wall.
Exactly.
This was a perfect choice. Thanks for being up for it.
Always. I'm calling this my Camden Clues Journal. Something here is going in my next book.
Let me know if I make it in.
You already have.